Hey dear viewers, welcome to another video of Food Fact for you. Today we're diving into a topic that adds that perfect touch of wobble to your desserts, gelatin. Did you know that peanuts contain gelatin and that gelatin intake might instigate digestive discomfort? We will tell you everything you need to know. Gelatin, that magical ingredient that turns liquids into delightful, jiggly creations. But how does it work, you ask? Well, let's break it down. Gelatin, a versatile substance with various culinary and industrial applications, is derived from collagen, a protein found in animal connective tissues such as bones, cartilage, and skin. The process of transforming collagen into gelatin involves several steps. Preparation of raw materials. The primary source of collagen for gelatin production is often animal byproducts from the meat and leather industries. Bones, hides, and connective tissues are collected and thoroughly cleaned to remove any impurities. Degreasing and pre-treatment. The raw materials are then subjected to a degreasing process to remove excess fat and grease. This step helps ensure that the final gelatin product is free of impurities and contaminants. Acid or alkaline treatment. The pre-treated materials undergo either an acid or alkaline treatment to break down the collagen fibers into smaller fragments. In the acid method, the raw materials are soaked in an acidic solution, usually hydrochloric acid. In the alkaline method, an alkaline solution, often lime or sodium hydroxide, is used. This treatment helps to extract the collagen and separate it from other components. Extraction. The treated materials are then subjected to heat and pressure to extract the collagen. This process breaks down the collagen into gelatinous substances and water-soluble components. Filtering and purification. The extracted mixture is filtered to remove any remaining impurities, particles, or undissolved substances. This step is crucial to ensure the purity of the gelatin. Concentration. The filtered mixture is then concentrated by evaporating excess water, which results in a more concentrated gelatin solution. Clarification. To further remove any remaining impurities and achieve a clear gelatin solution, the concentrated mixture may undergo additional clarification processes, such as centrifugation or filtration. Drying. The clarified gelatin solution is then dried to remove the remaining moisture. This can be done through various methods, including hot air drying or freeze drying. Grinding and packaging. The dried gelatin is ground into a fine powder to achieve the desired texture and consistency. It is then packaged and ready for distribution and use in various products. Now you know how gelatin is made, but do you know where we use it for? Let's dive into some products that contains gelatin. Gel capsules, also known as gel pills, rely on gelatin to maintain their form. As stated by Gelita, a prominent gelatin product supplier, the gelatin utilized for crafting pill capsules predominantly originates from pigs or cows. Sweet foods with gelatin, jams, and jellies. When you're in the market for jams and jellies, be sure to take note of the distinction in gelling agents they employ. While many producers opt for PECTIN, a natural fruit extract, certain larger companies resort to gelatin due to its cost-effectiveness and convenience. Gummy candies are not always vegan. The majority of gummy candies, including favorites like gummy bears and sour worms, are crafted using gelatin. Additionally, these treats often contain significant amounts of non-vegan sugar. Be careful with marshmallows. Marshmallows commonly incorporate gelatin in their production, and this applies to well-known brands like Peeps, particularly during the Easter season. Stay mindful of this ingredient if you're indulging in these treats. Not just foods with gelatin, beverages can also contain animal products. It's not just about food. Remember to keep an eye out for other stuff too. Beers and wines often get filtered using gelatin or fish bladders. The beer scene is getting better, but many wineries still aren't super vegan friendly. Peanuts, tricky treats with gelatin. While the majority of packaged peanuts are vegan friendly, there's a sneaky twist. You might be surprised to find out that some peanuts aren't. Certain food brands use gelatin to bind flavorings, which can catch you off guard. Even the seemingly innocent dry-roasted peanuts might not be entirely animal product-free. Stay vigilant. As you can see, many products and foods contain gelatin, so let's discuss the benefits and harms. Now we are going to dive into the upsides of this jelly substance. Did you know that gelatin, owing to its collagen content, significantly contributes to the maintenance of skin, hair, nails, and joint health? It holds potential to enhance skin elasticity and hydration. Also, gelatin is purported capacity to alleviate joint discomfort and improve mobility holds particular promise for individuals grappling with joint-related challenges. Not to forget, gelatine's reputation for gentleness on the digestive system makes it a favored choice, especially for those prone to digestive sensitivity. That were the upsides of gelatin, but let's not forget to mention the downsides. Derived from animal collagen, often extracted from bone and skin tissues, gelatine's composition poses ethical and dietary dilemmas for vegans, vegetarians, and followers of religious doctrines that restrict specific animal consumption. Oh, and gelatin consumption may provoke sensitivity or allergic reactions in some individuals, leading to manifestations such as digestive discomfort or allergic responses. Also, does gelatin primarily furnishes protein and lacks the comprehensive nutrient range found in other protein sources, potentially rendering it nutritionally less robust. Another downside is that excessive gelatin intake might instigate digestive discomfort, primarily due to its elevated protein content, which can pose a strain on the digestive system. Let's not forget that the production of gelatin is intertwined with resource-intensive animal agriculture processes, which contributes to environmental concerns associated with the industry. Last but not least, gelatine's integration into processed foods introduces the possibility of increased consumption of added sugars and potentially less healthful additives. Thank you for joining us on this jelly adventure. If you are video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting food explorations.